baby clothes.
Where's the baby clothes?
Yeah, the nighttime clothes.
They should be with all the other clothes. Check one of the boxes. That's real life. It's the middle of the day. She wants nighttime clothes for her baby. Why do babies always want to put their babies to sleep? I wish it was that easy. But then they don't want to go to sleep on their own. For real? Wow. Hola. How you guys doing? This is Lynn again from Puerto Rico. First time grower. I think we are in our second or third month of trying to calling ourselves gardeners and growers. We are in the backyard in our wannabe container garden, and let me tell you, it has been an epic fail. But not epic, because I think out of every failure there is something to be learned. So I'm going to come back here to our tomatoes. So this is my sad looking tomato plant. It has died. Look, like, I mean, it might not be dead, but I don't know if you guys can see. These leaves are just eaten. I have a really bad spider mite problem, and it's very humid here, obviously. Even though it is, I guess this is the middle to end of March, and I mean, I think our lowest temperature in the middle of the night might be 70, 73, but it's a very hot day. But all this week we have had rain, like heavy rain, every single day for probably like a week and a half. This is the rainy season. Oh Lord, stay down. So I have these mites all over this poor little plant. These leaves are dead. I don't know if you can see them right there. They're just crawling around, just eating up my hard work. The discoloration on these plants is awful. We've sprayed them with neem oil. I can only get out here in the middle of the day, and that really isn't the best time to be spraying these guys with water, because right now it's about noon, and getting out here in the dark trying to spray down some plants. But if you don't do that, this is what your hard work is going to look like. So I have to find a new system and how to keep my plants healthy. I'm not exactly sure what I need to do and what that's going to look like. If anybody has any recommendations, please let me know. Anyways, this is our backyard, and my attempt at container gardening, and my container tomatoes did not do very well. We do. All right, the other thing I wanted to note, and this is another thing that I think that isn't helping my container garden, my container plants very well. In the backyard, our homes are very close together in Puerto Rico. I am lucky to have this 20 feet space. I'll turn this way so you can see. From here to there is my neighbor. This is about 20 feet. They have like a bunch of trees. It's very green, but there are no flowers. There are no bees, flies, insects. There's just like nothing. And we have a lot of lizards in Puerto Rico, and there's hardly any lizards back here because there's nothing to eat. So there's nothing pollinating my poor little plants. Eight little sad flowers in my tomatoes. Oh, that's so sad. You be happy for everything. Be happy for the little things, because God can bless you with abundance. So I'm content with my 8 flowers, but I'm disappointed and maybe a little sad for them because the rest of the plant is just like dead. So we tried to plant some, we started trying to put some marigolds and different flowers back here, but the sun is just so intense. Let me take some of these containers and move them to the front of the house. Maybe there's more insects in the front that can help pollinate these plants. The sun is only the morning sun. Now I understand my plants may grow a lot slower because it's not getting enough sun, they may thrive better by getting less sun, but it's really intense. They may grow slower and healthier, but they'll have those pollinators. And I really didn't realize the significance of having bugs around. So now we've got a new project of planting more flowers, which is actually kind of fun. Like, what girl doesn't like flowers? Okay, I don't like flowers. I think I'm more of a balloon kind of girl. Can't grow balloons.